anda talia sacha bande da bayama ndoro Christmas ngomo yeye
agarate na bawe kwana reke agara no
no tora wange na umoroji
asoro manju bole no go manju
decisions of your life waikire ono iga no tete ko jore boyfriend you are 30 years muy buri ago tebi nkonyore ngakyo karabona sega na bako take of course we are supposed to listen to our parents to bai gwere kapsa na lichikurie bwe bibireri gote aitura menya matuka mai lakini muy buri na bwente wika amanya ngaki chinga kichaikire ngoti go mwana ya no musubati ngoti go mwana ya no mumura a interact ne world amanye ngaki ense ko genda
yo wano nyakana yo to muy buri ko de ngana ka ya ra vera kan
bueno actually ego wati na kyo mwana ya kiniri nara kiniri ore iga humble like ya lakini ono kini maybe iga giriti ngaki abana ba mwabo pakinigu baikire myaka 2025 I don't know arenka tatageti mwana omuntu asoke uchisko kendo kuri yose kyari omuntu nebo somiro chire body ngochire yango chire university neno areka ige ko moriri the world is changing ndoma eteka rwa chire sko gari gento komera na kerokyo how different it is omanyanga kyo go interact na kerokyo ona igo umwe na bwente au amwa akabaga yani taringa mutenga genda to just see ege tambo kerako imukia amupima renga ginko mutike igenge tambo kerokia ko mukika ko mukike bamurangaria mutenga ki igege kwenda kwa kwege kwa mwentoko
kana bana baro iga asoke isko taterenda
akini sofa korwa modata bako ikire 22 years oro mwana no mwigweriare igona bwenete kuramwe karansia mukwanere baigwanane
masini kwa watu uwezo anda bolchira shira kwa watu uwezo kuwetinga ni nyuma ya mwana no sake no 14
yes it's the current trend egendreta sense kurende as per the law este tota banga neri chikoriare goeta it will be good ever 21 kero monto let's say okore high school let's say this person are boarding but wale day school they go through a lot they can make decisions better than abantu wale boarding I think one imagine yorule isko gari ochire 18 years o kire gaiga umwana umusubati umusero myaka bisomera ne chinkondi chinde chekenyore ege style babo chaka command device na babe aragenda astray aragenda kando kidogo igo I think njengo yetiri kera between 18 and 21 okonyoronya experience yako akomanyanga ki igaiga ingokora it's wrong igaiga ingokora it's right
Bueno, wate vamos a ver na kwanda tuma wabe ka ku wabe ne ko take.
Baba ndombare otasamo ni muy nero korangiria kwa tebi ngai kene ko kora. Oh no, it's upon you likiribaga oi karanso kwana na barobo. Ose oi bolu baba basta bakya.
Bas ani sheila. Ne ko so ja banki genero na ke wenda para kana na ke mo ne kiro mo na digere na digere.
Iwono tigawe karansa bona baigori nonya bagambi na barisi bonchi
Oliya bagambi
wele wadne amanye na kibatagete
kole ndaye tarakora kana engokora kwa nango what you have done
according to this lady mwolo maito mwolo no monto manyete no woni ko rara aso to baike ngoja aro to kimunyo sai kemo ya kandi ngaya Grama itu mana ni orang orang mana orang mau sobi mau hidup kau itu ni aku hidup seperti itu. Grama itu mana ya? Efeknya grama itu mana orang kau es tu. Jadi grama kan ni kalau anak dia kau sokai dia hidup. Grama lagi.
Unless kata tato ira ni chinga ke chiricha pre-arranged marriages. Orang cuma mana orang kira 22 years cuma tu nare endo cah segete. Kau cakap introduce kami dia mana ayu agenda.
Ada banyak orang ini. Jadi itu orang kita squeeze ni ada ayah friend. Atagete umwana yanyu mumuntu atagete umwana yanyu
bono kwarengana kuneyo nere bwente musumo musubati oyo akwane na baiboli baikena bara sangi gakidaro chengo mukani bai akinimba bwata pre arranged marriage asigete batagete bacha bakole geikaro yo baba miti
I saw some 2-3 months ago as a village single muy bonito kwa de familia wa de bingo kai ti mano ya shete ma ban ko rawa ti wana wa de plan mu mano yo mu shio yo te mera to entare anyo me family te
asegeta se binto biro
no no mu yo chimo talia Bago tenga anje muiswa ndaro nyoma, muiswa ndaro nyoma.
Bona mangana bunayo na ro aragere nkorole mete eto kwana buna chi video buna chi movie. Ego happening omuntu ota getonyo mbo igori baba ta getonyo mo ucha sigete osonyo masegete onyora ngaria emoyo to yororo ono nyora ngwasoire ase nyomeye koma onyango go chande kamono ikera bantu muntu gwanchete tariga sore
Lakini nene masilano ndiko cha uyanga mwe bangro mono ebimbo.
ya ase ere ene age ne 21st century to wento ko bangira mo mwana oken
Sheira tage tenyo muishone anyome sintagetenga anyoma kana ndo choko mohoya na ikora mangaji
Ubona utuira ni mea.
mai
Mana yuna yeta.
Njora zungura nyongwa sa taka ndo de ninde na friend show ma bando wa de ninde wa kan ti wa ngi ge mara de
entongere ko love. Love is the main thing. Tari ama
nowadays now
in a few a small percentage nero but to go force go nyomuno muntu gete bunese ya India actually sorry to say okonyoranga ibagwata pre-arranged marriage so nya no munyagetari ngapime to ka ogendo chiko nyomgo so nyomwe ngome munyagetari onde which is very wrong nyomuntu akari miserable.
What can you advise such a parents?
Okay, tuwa Bible bali okonyoranga nigo babegeta machipo geta makongu sana. Sometimes just relax reach equally. Okay, ona boko soka ngane outing kwa iro mwana wa segete kwaranga kyago interact n'abantu nabo ko masete actually gento gete orenke tambo krukia ko ira okorango ire the right decision omanyango yo muntu nabo interact ne world bia nabo igosa bana baria bayo kire miaka over 20 konyoranga umuyibuli nago tabanga bera akaiga onye gotageta mabere tomo mufanyikazi gari tukarete koleke niko sitika ngende chibweka look for a way eyora kwana no muyibuli yo mukwane ngora motari ko raise yo voice se karmanyore ngamwacha kirerio mana it will be bad mukwane muwe gwana ngaki utagete la miaka 25 sawa kego ka 25 wa kembuna igo they look for ways mukwana eri muwe gwana ne morenga ndiyo kugato kabana bago ba involve as decisions sire gokora
Sheila, njora de such a parents.
Abaigori boro bakasa abana babo magobekera amachiko amakongo.
Kere masina iwete na tegera tumuri yanza na bwana the other day I think it was Monday. Ibaro kwanda ibaro ya chibicha chibaro kana mutandao bando ana for expose. You are talking about there's a politician there boy go mutandao kwa romo isola there mkia. Sina keko kwa mondo.
Kisa kitui.
The other day ibaro cha bando ana exposed. Kio jango ni mtu ni mondo nya roka go.
I think okay in the politics arena it's all about interest. Umuntu narora go set up. Ako koletera umuntu ayoro chenga
It's you and him.
Yeah, but tumaitinga umuntu nari mega ari omo set gerege tata ketene chibichachoka. Lakini naende gentu gya changire mono ne metandai actually social media. Ekero konyora go kireteiga umuntu so inbox ngere gutumira chibicha chimbe chinchafu go encourage that thing by the way I want to watch it wasere ma okonya na wachakire waka chibicha gutumira umuntu mwa.
Sheila. Ndio maana ibara ngara kwa tenga. Janjo jango mutandao mangere. Na kio kwanda ila mimi. Nilo changi mbele mimi.
No, naendo metene chimbo chimbe. Bad morals.
No mondakini.
Chimbo konyo oko muntu na bago kini gobie aike chiskuru nini adoptie mbogete pia pressure kurororo muna ko ya adoptiga ya bana addiction. Aiwete onye na mabuni. Igona keline gento ora adopt. Embwe. Vices, morals chimbe. Kwanyoranga kwalengo kuende kanisa kabisa. Sorry to say totally no more SD because they are ardent followers we kanisa. Waikire gari skuru osense gamna kwate ba mwibuli gari ukari uisansete. Waikari your freedom. Wachire college your freedom. Omanya goswase group gete amangana bago koratari ya komo kinyasana. Omeyotanga freedom wenero konyenganeti tuende nayo.
Ole sinya.
Kwagenda rego kwanyoranga bakotanga wasarikira.
Kero kendo basona yaikire. na we expose it like you have example
Okay, ncheto going expose
example
the first
ase nini ya ase ya to keliki omuntu lyo bayire exposed. What can you do?
Okay, what you can do is just deal with it head on and learn from it. Yani you wako tenge ntoko kunki genda umirana na a problem eri ore ine eya mase yamo wana no montoria motai this was not my intention this and that, but you learn from it. So makoruo go jabo
the wrong women crash when I say because you call it the other day you are sharing Father's Day. Quando mangana isana bane ko Father's Day yang on Sunday Monday men crash Monday kina ringo mo ya serio trakawan to quando mangana isana who is a father muy tata yani who is a father na dengo matra kini days ago
Tinda ku understand.
Who is a father?
From the biblical point of view, father.
No.
Father nya tata nya sai uriole.
Tigana mangana nya sai.
From the world point of view, a father is a head of a home. Nindo cha soro chigo chikera bantu mbale ko wish single mothers happy Father's Day. Anta wakatebanga a single mother cannot be a father, and a single father cannot be a mother. The role they play in a family, it's very different as compared to Abba Mama. That's what I can say. You're the head of the family.
Head of the family. Yeah. Sheila, who is a father?
A father no moigorio we kiume.
Kiume.
Umegorite.
Ono masi wadanga father no mogorite na shirade. Taro. Father una masi ade lengo mogorite. Yani musaji gorite umwana ile la father.
No. Anybody can be a father. Na bomonto akonyora ngata iboleti bana, but he is a father to some children. Okay, to me, being a father doesn't mean you have biological children.
But in a biological thing, you are a father.
You are a father still.
On your anano, no musad get a Kamudiga. You are no a father.
You are a father still. Nebango motigate nebange bakamenta, you are still a father.
Still a father.
Actually, you can be even a father in your family while you have your father. Ase kingo tebaigo konyorore nga labda tato mino chire sabari otaga kego nae watigere ga you are looking for after abana bali banda bake you are father there nebanga tola nyora bana
you are a father no head of the family,
someone who plays a role nganda to monto okay telling the head of the family worker, it cannot be your family omonto. Let's say in a school sespuru the principal is a father to all those students.
Father's Day was celebrated. No celebrate your principal.
You can say father like happy Father's Day to so and so and so because they are men.
Was what more single mothers. We now go more ya Sunday example. What they so long as you go to mana, ya no go to mana, kuma no so to ko na order na we. So long as you go to mana, yes, leave a message. But just start on mana. Manju na order makisa.
Na ko muna nyarosha yande.
You all single mothers, they are not fathers.
They are just the head of their families.
But you cannot celebrate them during Father's Day.
Okay, it depends on from which angle. A single mother is also playing as part of a father and a mother, if they are at all. But it's good to we can to Mother's Day. To be such a body
Father's Day.
To a happy Mother's Day. They are single parents. We cannot. So they got to take Father's Day, Father's Day, Mother's Day, Mother's Day.
Our single
mothers. Don't
oh, so include. Was to Mother's Day.
Was it Mother's Day?
Check the Koromur, I'm going to crash when Itu kwa naga to ko rega o te dia ba swa te ba mama wa kwa ni laga to ko no no singa lo ya ya
ndo chenga chinsaro chiarire asaba subati bonsipi bali bategerete nabo iko balikerete JR News. Inyorobuna kobomo subati is also a gift, just like being a dad, a father, usumusacha. Nabo iko batabanga ase bibiri nabatabi ali mambinga. Whoever finds a good woman finds favor in God. Igo we are WCW to weka MCM to kwani reji. So oliora sangi ora umero musubati umuya niga kunyora ukwanchiro kurwase Nyasaye. Igo be the change eriga nira se family yao neba nga turaba ngina bantu neba nga you still young ene kianga you leading your life ngo genderio rubugima bwa senchirengia chimbwa chingia eriyo bari maega yao na barogo kerba kolkireria batebanga ntagete ko babuna Ashila ntagete ko babuna Zainab ntagete ko babuna fulani eriyo to genderio rubugima bo na boy go inyurari nganaria Nyasaye babatebanga moisonde ntwa kwananga always anchana kera emeri chikoline ne kabisa kwa soma ne kuancha ne twansi ekaroko romondo chire kombo mogorore edio tokenderere buya asi obudimo basanje sana
turakora abasubati mbaro batataso mubo barabengenjo sana barabya buno ba tei hai batatoboka
abasubati batuko kumutanga ni primama ama ibonzi 100% yako mutera thank you for bringing me the word na boyo konenda bukabono amusubati okobere is my sister actually kurachinsa mocha Nairobi nere como celebrating de na boyo amusubati ogatato. This is a hard one. I could celebrate all women but in peak out there's a cousin of mine kurachinsa mocha Eldoret nere mukwani asinjira yare
Tocha say Sheila wrong women crash Wednesday do the same njo the yo maswati onsi sing
Asa waswati bonsi happy women crash Wednesday moya Andrea Koriga si no sa waswati bonsi mwale ba independent women moya Andrea Sega si no na wasalimia nyote ikina ote ni happy women crash Wednesday digo omotangani mamu minto Recho gari gianchere go kwani ingo anchite sana oyo kabere sister yane dako oyo gatato como isko go kuzaina omo sana umia sana
una vez todo bien y cuántas son anche tengo correra ahora semana de otra son muy buena con el gana cuando yo voy a mentar Wednesday como ando en gas una serie otaka también me trato de preguntar dan itu yo punya namanya itu dia apa ya ini itu yo separate terus punya apa subati varia vale wasetia ba sacha babo sabaka babo babo kuna wajane usaba buraka kwa hiyo sacha ambao roho kwa sababu waswata nebe ikiro monta kule by the way okule ile ndio tangu ngwa kumanya mtu akishakufa huyo alipo huyo kule kuzi brengere bia oro pi manyango na sete mahayo kaya bona manga na biko kali ndio tata yeka to ya ansoro Nyasaye akokonya abo ya ansoro Nyasaye yes lakini naye ekonyi to ya sababu mama maro kwa waziri ngwe mami kwa waziri branch kile kwa ruga ansoro Nyasaye ndo kokonya obo siwe recommend kana to itumu ngo mere chinya chinya kusuka mkono yaya oikoso okay uhagere nchabu yao osimeke obeko bwoyo ende Nyasaye nere agosesenie asogwetu mukwe gwetu iba apart from gusaba Nyasaye naye tema ngokwerigeria soka kora kende yonsi unenchire yamo yoko making ebintu nko babire buya ukibosio abana abotigere nkole ndolo buya ari Nyasaye nako basisini itu kulyara women crash Wednesday note byaba subati bonsi pi swati baro roma ite bande badelesi swati baro bande badelesi lakini ngote binga temango wetuma tema ko lengo kira konya somo mabwao ira naze iswa nabo liro mweri nga baswati kibatatu ko nyora so mabwao abaswati ko nyora so mabwao ne nabange sana imbwate muswati mindo monene swati mindo na romo monene okoro ku stela ne muswati mutanga nyabo andi wabungiche ase tingina kwa nanga mama because mama nga waita bano nide ase muswati umuntu oyole mukamuro umuntu monene progression era motabinga umuntu mye sana maigo cha ase si girlfriend na tuwale chance ipi motabinga ya sana eko era each and every girlfriend na tuwale ko kuru niko ba ko motivate ande twasaka kabona onda kora so swati benye chao ase goikira bono yo mwanchu lina boy mwanchu mutegereri yale ngaba kusigilo po radio na hate kyaba swati otora ache yabo tikidogo tora ko mungaso kidogo tora sanga mangana bira bito asenchirenga una chenko ko mwana baba getu Fidel Somingo Machoge analenga mona masi na boygo Sheila Seseni